Welcome, in front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I will show you how you can enable or disable autocorrection and also highlight for misspelled words. So we have to go for the settings. Right now go for the devices, go for the typing, and as you can see here we can enable or disable autocorrect for misspelled words. Yeah, just like that. And here we can enable or disable the highlight for misspelled words. So simply we have to make it by tapping on the switchers. And here we got also the other typing and touch keyboard options, so we can change it just like you want. And that's how it looks. If you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.